Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the top door hinge in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be an extremely easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 5/16 socket wrench and some tape. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new top door hinge. The top door hinge is located on the top of the freezer door and allows it to open and close smoothly. The top door hinge should be replaced if it's broken and prevents the freezer door from operating properly. Elevate yourself above the fridge and put some duct tape on the door, securing it to the cabinet. Next, remove the hinge cover. Using the 5/16 socket wrench, take out the 3 screws that hold the hinge and lift it off. This is the old top door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new top door hinge. Match the mounting holes and install the 3 5/16" screws. Leave them a bit loose. Align the door if needed, and then you can tighten all 3 screws. And then we can place the cover on. Remove the tape and check if the freezer door opened and closed properly. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.